Welcome to our Adult Summer Reading Program for 2023. Every week this summer, we're bringing you a new craft or informational video for you to enjoy. Our video this week is all about making a pin display banner. So I have my felt. I'm going to fold it in half to kind of just mark where the center will be. We have a whole rainbow of colors available to you. If I wasn't using black felt, I would go ahead and mark it right there, but I won't be able to see it. The end is gonna be the sort of like decorative end of the banner. If you see a sample, we gave it like a sort of flourish there. This one I'm gonna do more angular, and so I'm just gonna cut from here to here as the end of the banner. And if you're worried about not cutting very straight, you can always start a little bit lower just so you can fix it up later if you need to. I'm gonna clean up this edge just a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is take the other short half that's up top, and our plan is to have it rolled like so over this rod. But what I'm gonna do to make that happen is start by just marking approximately where I want it to be to create a little pocket. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to make a line right here. The size of this pocket is going to depend on what size rod you're using. Ours is very thin, so it doesn't need to be huge. And then I'm going to create the little pocket by just folding this down. It is hot glue, so be careful, Then give that just a second to cool off. And then you'll see you've created a little hole right there that the dowel rod is going to go through. You're just gonna push that through. And then there you can see it coming together. If you want to, you can trim down the dowel rod to a smaller size, but I am not going to do that today. So the next thing you're going to do is attach a piece of twine. We're going to tie it around each side. This is what we're going to hang the pin banner up by. If you want to do a very low profile knot here, you can wrap it and then use your hot glue gun to conceal the end in there. Or if you don't want a low profile knot, you can do something fun like a little bow tie or something. That is up to you. I'm gonna tighten them, and then I'm going to trim the ends here, and then I'm going to conceal them with hot glue. So in order to do that, I'm gonna use this little pocket that I've created again. Just gonna use a little bit of glue. And I'm gonna put it in the pocket. I'll do the same thing on that side. And then you have created a canvas on which you can put and display all of your pins that you love, like this. Thank you for joining us this week. Don't forget to stop by and pick up your craft kit with everything you need to make your pin banner. This is the final week for our Adult Summer Reading Program on Read Squared. Sign up online through our website or stop by the information desk here at the library. Check our calendar for upcoming programs. Bye!